Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm happy to announce a new giveaway sponsored by SpeedyBee. 4 winners are going to win these 4 prizes which are going to be sent directly from SpeedyBee. The first prize is the SpeedyBee flight controller, which is an F4 flight controller with an integrated Bluetooth chip that will enable you to configure it wirelessly using SpeedyBee's app. The second prize is the SpeedyBee TX500, which is an excellent micro VTX. I actually have it installed on my Tomahawk Watts Sidewinder, and in my opinion, it's one of the best micro VTX out there. The third prize is the VTX DVR, which is a VTX with an integrated DVR. And last but not least, the Bluetooth USB adapter, which is one of my favorite products. You can find my reviews of these products in the description box down below, so you can check it out. And in order to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is just to leave a comment down below. Make sure to be subscribed to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And once this video is going to reach 1000 views, I'm going to announce the winners. I would like to thank SpeedyBee for sponsoring this giveaway. And of course, all of you, my subscribers, for your continuous support. I'm going to reach 10,000 subscribers pretty soon. And I plan to launch a pretty big giveaway after it's going to happen. I wish you all good luck on the giveaway and see you soon on my next videos.